Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. So right here with me, I want us to look at the integration of functions with fractional or negative powers. Okay, so this is the second part of the video. We did look at the first part, okay, where we were integrating functions that had a fractional or a negative power. So this is the second part of the video. So let us look at this example. Integrate the integral of 4 over the third root of x minus 2 over the square root of x plus 3 square root of x cubed with respect to x. So we integrate this function with respect to what? To x. So first step, to be very difficult for you to integrate this function. Why? Because it's having the fractions you can see. Okay, so what you do is rewrite these fractions. You rewrite them. Okay, so the way you're going to rewrite them, you're going to write something like this. The integral of, so we have this 4. Okay, so you write this 4, right? 4 over, so this x, since having a root of the third root of, okay, so it will be written as x raised to the power of 1 over 3, like this. I hope it's clear. Minus, so I'm just changing these roots, okay? Minus 2 over x raised to the power of 1 over 2. So root of x, square root, same as 1 over 2, okay? Third root, same as 1 over 3. Then plus 3, then I'll put this x cubed in brackets like this. Then this square root, I'll put it as the power like that, 1 over 2. Okay? Then dx. So from here, what I'm doing is I'm not integrating anything. Okay? As you can see, I'm not integrating anything. So what you are going to do is just rewrite this now. We change them from being fractions the way they are. So we write the integral of, so this one, write 4x. Now, this is x raised to the power 1 over 3, okay? So one of the laws of indices, if you have something like this, 1 over a squared. You write this as a to the power negative 2. This power, it's a positive. So when you write it like this, it becomes a negative, okay? So this law is what you are going to apply here. You write x raised to the power of 1 negative 1 over 3 minus, okay, 2, then x to the power negative half. That is what we're just changing there. So we are done here. Plus, we just write 3. So this is power of the power. We apply the same law of indices where we multiply this 3 times the 1 over 3, which will give us 3x raised to the power 3 over 2. Okay, dx. Now, from this stage, we are, you are allowed now to integrate just from this stage. Okay, you are allowed to integrate. So I hope that you are following. All right, so from here we can integrate. That's what we have said. Okay, so how can we integrate? We write equal to, so we have 4x raised to the power negative 1 over 3. Okay, so when you are integrating functions, this power which is 1 over negative 1 over 3 is going to be added by, we are going to add the 1. Okay, so once we add the 1 to the power, then we divide again. The same things, the same power which will be written here. Okay, so what I mean is you write 4x, this is 4x raised to the power negative 1/3 plus 1. So I've added the 1 to this power. So what I will do is I'll divide by the same thing, which is negative 1/3 plus 1. Okay, I'll come here minus 2x to the power negative half. Again, I'll add the 1 there. Again, divide by negative 1 over 2 plus 1. Okay, and then plus. So this is 3x to the power 3 over 2 plus a 1. Again, over 3 over 2 plus a 1. Okay, I hope you are following. So this is an indefinite integral. So definitely you are going to need the arbitrary constant, the c. So we add plus a c there. Now from there, what will be our next step? Our next step is just to work out the powers, okay? So what we'll do is we'll say equal to 4x. So negative 1 over 3 plus 1, okay? Negative 1 over 3 plus 1, we are going to get 2 over 3. When you add negative 1 over 3 plus 1, you get 2 over 3. Minus, you write this 2, then x. So negative 1 over 2 plus 1, you get half. Okay? Again, over half. So even here, we said 2 over 3, we said over 2 over 3 because we have simplified this. Okay? We come here plus 3x 3 over 2 plus 1. 3 over 2 plus 1. 3 over 2 plus 1. What are you going to get? You are going to get 5 over 2. Okay, again you divide by 5 over 2. So I hope you understand where these are coming from. Remember, these were the denominators right here. So once you simplify here, simply means that even these denominators will be simplified, the same answers that you have gotten in. Then plus a c. Okay, so I hope we are together there. I hope you are together. So at this stage now, it becomes very easy for you to finish up your work. Okay, so allow me to just create space here. Okay, so from here, it's very easy now. All right, it's just a matter of writing or getting rid of these fractions. Okay, getting rid of these fractions. So the way you can get rid of these fractions to be, so we are going to say the reciprocal of this 2 over 3 will be multiplied by 3 over 2. Okay, so this 4 will change. Okay, it will be 12. It will be 12x to the power 2 over 3. Okay, and then we divide by 2 over 2. Okay, then minus, again, this one, it will be 4x to the power 1 over 2. Plus, for this one, it will be 6x to the power 5 over 2. Okay, then over 5. Like this. Then plus c. Now, let me just explain. In case maybe you are wondering, how come we are writing 12x to the power and then over 2, 4. Okay, what you are doing is this. You have this, okay? You have this, which is 4. I'll just treat it as 4, which is divided by this, 2 over 3. So, the way you work out this, you just say 4 over 1 times 3 over 2 like this. So you multiply 4 times 3, it's a 12 over 1 times 2, it's a 2. This is what I've gotten right here. So the same principle that I use this, what you use here, okay? Even here, and it will give you these values. I hope it's clear. Allow me to create space. All right, now from here, what are we going to do from here? So it's very easy. You can see this 2 here, it's a 1. Here, it's a 6. So we have 6x to the power 2 over 3 minus 4x to the power half plus 6x to the power 5 over 2 over 5 plus c. So my final answer now will be, I'll write my final answer now, we write 6. Okay, then we will say the third root of x squared. Okay, minus this one, you say 4, then the root of x plus right here. So this one will say 6, then this will be a square root of x raised to the power of 5 over 5 plus C. This will be our final answer. Let me just explain something here, okay? In case you are wondering how come we are answering our answer like this. So it's very easy. I'll start with this part where you have 6x then 2/3, okay? So what this simply means is that you can write it like this, 6x to the power 1/3, okay? Like this, you put it in brackets, meaning the 2 will be outside here. So when you multiply 1/3 times the 2, this is what they had, 2/3. So why am I writing 1/3? Because I want to get the third root, okay, of this x. So 1/3 represent the third root of x. Now this x will be squared because of this square here, then the 6 here, okay? This is what I wrote here, okay? So same principle apply here. 1/2, we know that it's a square root, so this will be just direct a square root. Here we'll do the same, where you have 6x 5/2. So you put the 5 outside the brackets and then you remain with half, which is a square root. So that 5 will be raised to as the power to x, like that. So thank you so much everyone for having time to view this content. See you next time. Bye bye.